In my last unboxing video, some of y'all know that I got bait making stuff from Do It Molds, and this is just some of the colors of Senkos I've made. I've made June bug with lime green chartreuse tip, midnight blue, watermelon red, chartreuse, and then that one's green pumpkin, June bug with an orange tip. Just another version. I think it's watermelon and chartreuse, and then you have Crystal Lake blue, pumpkin, and just a regular June bug. That's just some of them I made. That's all of mine. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, peace.